Om Namo Shivaya. Dear friends, today we will discuss anger. To remove the blockages of liver due to anger, we have to chant certain divine vibrations. We have to do certain kriyas. Because if we are upset, anger stimulates the liver cells and make them overactive, which put pressure on the stomach, which cause you to lose your appetite. So loss of appetite is only one of the first symptoms. Then follow liver disease and even cancer due to the stress caused by the anger. Now to remove liver blockages caused by excess energy generated by anger, we have to do certain divine kriyas. And which are those kriyas and sounds that we will chant? He Shiva, 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 He Shiva. You can sit in any of your rooms in a corner and chant it as long as you can. He Shiva, 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 He Shiva. So to heal yourself and others of anger, the simple solution is to remove the energy blockage in the liver area, and that we can do by this vibration sounds known as vibration kriyas. So you please try it and get rid of this anger from your head. God bless you. Har Har Mahadev. Om Namo Shivaya.